Do you ever feel like managing money is more stressful than it should be? Or that budgeting just isn't for you because it feels like a burden? What if I told you that budgeting doesn't have to mean giving up everything you enjoy? In this video, we're diving into top 5 budgeting methods that actually work, even if budgeting isn't your favorite thing. These strategies will help you take control of your finances without having to track every little expense or make huge sacrifices. If you've been struggling to make your money work for you, these methods could be the game changer you need. Let's get started and explore how these simple budgeting tactics can set you on the path to financial success while keeping your lifestyle intact. 1. The 50/30/20 rule. Simplicity at its best. The 50/30/20 rule is one of the easiest and most effective ways to approach budgeting, especially for beginners who don't want to get bogged down by too many details. It works by dividing your income into 3 key categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for financial goals like savings or paying off debt. The simplicity of this method allows you to stay organized without feeling overwhelmed, making it easy to track and manage your money each month. Needs cover essentials like housing, utilities, food, transportation, and healthcare, things that you cannot live without. These should always be prioritized because they are necessary for your basic well-being. Wants include things like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and travel. These are the discretionary expenses that make life enjoyable, but aren't absolutely necessary. Finally, financial goals are savings or debt payments. The 20% you allocate here ensures you're putting money aside for future security, whether it's an emergency fund, retirement, or paying down high-interest debts. This budgeting method helps you create a balance between enjoying life now and saving for the future. With this simple structure, you can see exactly where your money is going. And if you find you're spending too much in one area, you can easily adjust by reallocating funds. It's a clear, no-nonsense approach to managing your finances. 2. Pay yourself first. Prioritize savings right off the bat. The pay yourself first method turns traditional budgeting on its head. Instead of paying all your bills first and saving what's left, you prioritize saving as soon as you receive your income. This ensures that saving becomes a non-negotiable habit and that your financial future is always top of mind. The beauty of this approach is that you automatically put money toward your goals before you spend on anything else, making it easier to build wealth over time. As soon as you get paid, set aside a fixed percentage of your income for savings or investments. This can be 10%, 15%, or 20% of your income, depending on your goals. By paying yourself first, you ensure that you're making progress toward your financial objectives, whether that's building an emergency fund, contributing to retirement, or investing for long-term growth. The remaining money can be spent freely on bills and lifestyle expenses. But the key is that the savings goal is met first. One of the best things about this method is its simplicity. Once you automate the process, you don't even have to think about it. The money is taken out before you have a chance to spend it, which makes saving feel effortless. Plus, by consistently saving each paycheck, you'll see your wealth grow steadily over time, helping you achieve financial security without sacrificing your quality of life. 3. The anti-budget. One simple number for your discretionary spending. If you find detailed budgeting too tedious, the anti-budget method might be the perfect solution. This approach simplifies managing your finances by reducing everything to just one number, your discretionary spending allowance for the month. Instead of tracking every single expense, you start by subtracting your fixed expenses like rent, utilities, savings, and other recurring costs from your total income. What's left is your discretionary spending cap, and that's the only amount you need to manage for the entire month. There's no need to monitor every coffee, meal, or outing. You simply track one number. The beauty of the anti-budget is that it gives you the freedom to live within your means while still enjoying life. You can freely spend on things like dining out, entertainment, or shopping, as long as you stay within your set discretionary spending limit. This creates a stress-free way to manage money because you don't have to track every small purchase. It allows you to focus on enjoying life rather than stressing about each purchase. You don't need to worry about the little things. Instead, you focus on managing the big picture. Moreover, this approach allows for flexibility. If you find yourself in a month where you need to save more or be more cautious with your spending, you can simply lower your discretionary spending cap. This method is particularly effective for those who find detailed tracking too time-consuming or restrictive. Instead of feeling trapped by traditional budgeting methods, you get to enjoy more freedom in how you spend your money, knowing that the overall limit will keep you in check. In essence, the anti-budget method gives you the balance of control and freedom, making it an ideal approach for people who want a simple, straightforward way to manage finances without the stress of micromanaging every single expense. It's a no-hassle budgeting method that doesn't require much time or effort, yet still helps you stay within your financial goals. 4. The envelope system, visual spending control. The envelope system is a hands-on method that helps you control your spending by dividing your cash into different categories. You allocate a certain amount of money to each category, such as groceries, entertainment, dining out, or transportation, and place the money in individual envelopes. When the envelope for a specific category is empty, that's it for the month. No more spending in that area. This physical limitation helps you stay disciplined and stick to your budget. While this method is often associated with cash, you can also adapt it to a digital format using budgeting apps. The principle remains the same. You allocate specific amounts for each category, and once the money is gone, you stop spending in that category. This visual approach can help you become more aware of where your money is going, making it easier to curb unnecessary spending. The envelope system is great for people who tend to overspend in certain areas. It's a simple, effective way to ensure you're not going beyond your means. Plus, it gives you a clear picture of how much money you have left for each category, which makes it easier to make mindful spending decisions. It's a hands-on, proactive approach that helps you stay on track without feeling overwhelmed by complicated spreadsheets or endless tracking. 5. Values-based budgeting. Spend on what matters most. If you want a budgeting system that aligns with your personal goals and values, values-based budgeting might be the perfect method for you. Instead of focusing on rigid categories like needs and wants, this approach encourages you to spend your money based on what truly matters to you. What are your priorities in life? Is it family, health, travel, or education? Values-based budgeting allows you to spend in areas that align with your personal values, cutting out unnecessary expenses in areas that don't bring you joy or fulfillment. This budgeting method gives you the freedom to focus on what makes you happiest. For example, if traveling is important to you, you might allocate more funds toward vacations and experiences. If health is a priority, you might budget for fitness-related expenses. This approach makes budgeting feel less restrictive because it's not about cutting back on everything. It's about choosing what truly matters. With values-based budgeting, you don't have to deprive yourself. Instead, you're reallocating your resources to areas that bring you the most value, whether that's enhancing your lifestyle, pursuing hobbies, or building long-term wealth. It's a more flexible, personalized way of managing your money that aligns with your life's mission and goals. There you have it, the top 5 budgeting methods that will help you manage your money effectively without feeling restricted. These methods are simple, practical, and flexible, allowing you to maintain a healthy financial life while enjoying your everyday activities. Budgeting doesn't have to be a hassle. It's about making the right choices and sticking to them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing your finances and living your best financial life. Drop a comment below and let me know which budgeting method you're excited to try out first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.